How we rolling, folks? It's Mike here at Das Trucks with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you like what you're watching, well, go ahead and drop us a like. Much appreciated. All right, well, today's box truck is a 2017 Ford E-350 Super Duty. It's a 16-foot box truck with a ramp. It's got 150,814 miles. This vehicle has been fully reconned. It's going to be a 176-inch wheelbase. So you can see it does have dual rear wheels down there. And we will go ahead and get started with the tires. The required clearance, as you'll see over here, very important. Folks usually don't pay attention to this and they end up doing some damage to their box, but it's 11 feet on this truck. That's all included in the full listing as well on our website, and some other measurements that may be important. There's a good look underneath. We'll go ahead and check out the dual rear wheels back here, the tires. This vehicle is rear wheel drive. So check it out, here's your ramp. These ramps are able to hold about 1,000 pounds. And here is that box. You do have kick boards on the bottom there on each side. You have wooden planks to tie down. And then you've got a dome light right up there as well. It's in great condition. All right, well, let's continue to the passenger side here. Get you a nice full look. This truck's GVWR is 12,500 pounds. Go ahead and check out the tires over here as well. Give you a better look underneath. Get you a nice, good look from the front over here. Here's your interior. Very clean and it's in great condition. This truck has been detailed on the inside, the outside, and underneath the hood. Give you a nice full look at the dash right over here. All right, well, let's hop on in. Let's start her up. No lights on the dash. Here's your 150,814 miles. You have a radio over here. You can get through.
The elections are...
If you're into hearing about the elections, that's there for you. All right, well, let's go ahead and check out that engine. Underneath that hood, she's packing a Triton 6.8 liter V10. Gasoline engine. This is coupled with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. All the filters and fluids have been changed if deemed necessary. Right on, thanks for sticking around with me. That'll wrap it up for today's 2017 Ford E-350 Super Duty. As always, if you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, please head over to our website. I will link that in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. And our phone number is also going to be there if you have any specific questions about these and whatnot, financing, all that kind of stuff. Right on. Well, you folks have a great rest of your day. Take care.